Verifying your account on Weebly is an important step to ensure the security and functionality of your website. Follow these simple steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Log into your Weebly account. Visit the Weebly website and enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account or Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Verification options. In the Account Settings, look for a section labeled Verification or Account Verification. This is where you will initiate the verification process. Step 4. Choose Verification Method. Select your preferred method of verification, which may include email verification or phone number verification. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code or link. Step 5. Complete verification. Enter the verification code or click on the link sent to your email or phone. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification that your account has been successfully verified. By following these steps, you can easily verify your Weebly account and ensure that your website is secure and fully functional.